everyone, um, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and at the moment we are doing a headband. It's very simple to do, it's beginner friendly, it's very easy. You don't need to know a lot about knitting to do this. And I can guarantee you it will look fantastic with any other colors. Even with this color, light blue color, looks fantastic. I did count about 66 loops I have on here on my needles number 5, and that's how we start. So first stitch we do is purl stitch, so that it's friendly in the end to stitch it together, like the two sides together at the back of the head. And then we do yarn over the right needle, and then we knit first loop with a front stitch, second loop with a purl stitch, and then we grab with the second needle the loop which was a yarn over loop, and we throw it over the top of the two loops we've done together, which was together, I mean you and me, from the front and front stitch and purl stitch. Let me show you again. So we do a yarn over, then front stitch, then we do a purl stitch, and then we grab with a second needle the yarn over the two loops that we just knitted, which was front stitch and purl stitch, then yarn over, front stitch, purl stitch, and then the loop, we yarn over the two knitted stitches. It's very easy to do. I'll do a little bit for you to see how it's done. It's very simple to do. It's very effective. It's very beautiful. It creates a beautiful effect. Pattern, beautiful pattern, very gentle, very lovely on the head. If you imagine this to be wearing this, it will be fantastic. So loop over, and then purl stitch and over the two. And so on. We are on the second row, which is the back of the headband. So we knit all of these loops with a purl stitch, all the loops with purl stitch. As you can see, it's a very simple pattern, very simple design. So till the end of this row. We do the same. This is the third row, front rows. So first one we knit with a purl stitch, and the rest of these loops from this row we knit with a front stitch. All of them. All this row is with the front stitches until the end of this row, only front stitches. You see, it's simple. It's not very difficult to do it. This is our fourth row, and what we do, we knit one front stitch so that when we stitch it's all nicely done, and then everything else in this row we knit with a purl stitch. So the whole row is purl stitches. It's easy and quick. In a couple of hours you can just do a headband like this one in no time. Now this is fifth row, but fifth row doesn't exist in this pattern, so what we do, we repeat from the first row this pattern. So we knit first loop with a purl stitch so that we can stitch it nicely here at the back. When it's finished, then yarn over the needle, we knit one front stitch, one purl stitch, and then the yarn over we grab with the second left needle and throw it over, just like so. So yarn over, front stitch, purl stitch, and then yarn over the two knitted. So yarn over, then simple. As you can see, it's very simple. And so on. We repeat from the first row to the fourth row, and then we go back to the first row again. It's very easy, it's very simple, it's very quick to do. I hope I've explained clearly to you, so I hope your headband will be like mine, as beautiful as mine, or even better. So good luck into your crafting world, and hopefully it will turn out for you as well, so nice like mine. And next we're going to speak about with headband when it will be finished. Hello again everyone, this is the finished project. This is a headband. I've shown how I've made this pattern to you. It looks fantastic. I'm pleased with how it turned out, and the color is fantastic. These ones remind me, the pattern reminds to me a bit of ocean waves. It's very stunning, it's beautiful, and it's good for summertime. It's made from acrylic yarn. If you feel a little bit cooler, something like this would just benefit you a lot, especially if you are by the beach. A garment like this, an accessory like this one would be very useful to all of us. It's very simple pattern, as you can see, and it turned out nicely. I've made it pretty quick. It didn't take me ages to make. This is the stitch that I've made carefully so it looks nice at the back, and this is the back of a stitch where I've hidden all the odds and ends of yarn, and this is what you wear on the back. So this is on the back and this is on the front. As you can see, it's stretchy. It's stretchy, is beautiful, made with 66 loops with needles number 5, which isn't difficult to do. You can knit something like this pretty quick and really with not much thinking. So you can watch your serial on TV and you can still do a beautiful garment, a beautiful accessory like this one, a useful accessory like this one. And I think it turned out pretty nicely. I wanted to make it a bit thinner, but then I thought maybe I'll do slightly larger because every other headband that I've made is a little bit thinner, a little bit less length here. But the pattern for this headband was for me to knit about 13 centimeters, but I've knitted about 10. I thought it's alright to have a bit less rather than having it too much, especially if it's for the summertime. It needs to be a bit more breathable, a bit lighter to take with you, let's say in the bag, and when it gets cooler you just put it on and it saves you from getting cold. So something like this is a pretty much helpful accessory to have and to make, and the pattern is a joy to knit. Even for beginners, something like this would work very well. I imagine any beginner would be able to make it. If I do it, obviously anyone can do it. So yeah, so I hope you like this pattern. Please send me images of the patterns of the garments you've made from my tutorials. I would be very glad and happy that you've understood whatever I was explaining and you are able to share what it turned out for you to share on my channel, and with pleasure I would share it with others. So please leave the comments below the video telling me if you like this headband, if you like the pattern, if it turned out to be quite a nice pattern for your headband. It would be a joy for me to read your comments. Please put likes for my video, and hopefully we can create together and create beautiful things together. Create things together on my channel Anna Vanila Art, and hopefully you will decide to make a similar, if not identical, headband like mine. So I wish you luck in your crafting, in your doings, and hopefully we can enjoy new patterns in the near future from my new videos that will come soon, and hopefully we can create together beautiful things in this world. So thank you very much for watching my videos, thank you for stopping by, thank you for subscribing. I love you all, and please write to me and let's see how we can improve the channel even better, to support my channel and to let it grow. So thank you very much for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'm Anna Vanila. This is the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.